Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you with some more wonderful information. I previously talked to you about what is a dual evaporator and what is it good for. That is up to you to decide. Now we're going to go into the more conventional single evaporator systems of a fridge. Usually it's going to be like top mount like this, or a lot of your side-by-sides are going to be single evaporators. What I mean by single evaporator is I have my evaporator and I have my fan, which is going to push air into my fridge. I don't have any sort of evaporator down there. So what happens is, with the help of my little fan and my little air diverter here, how this works is I've got 3 holes in here, okay? These holes are, the air is pulled in from the fan, runs across the evaporator, gets cold, and then runs back in the refrigerator. And it does a big circle like that till the fridge is cold. Now the benefits are you have a single fan. The downside is if, let's say, something dies in your fridge, guess what your freezer is going to smell like? Dead also. They're a little less expensive, they're not quite as advanced and technology-wise as the dual evaporators, but they are still very good, very proven quality work. The side-by-sides work basically the same way. The air comes, cold air comes in the top, goes down the refrigerator side, goes in the bottom, and then comes back up across your evaporator to cool your fridge and your freezer. Like I said, if your fridge needs cold, everything turns on. If your freezer needs to cool, everything turns on. They're a little bit less efficient, but they're still a very good product because the proven technology has been around for as long as there's been refrigeration. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back for more good information next time. Have a good day.